Good morning. It is bright and early. We are getting ready to go on our first trip, I guess, of the season. Spring has sprung here in Colorado. It's still a little bit cold to go do an overnight camping trip, so we're actually going to go. We rented a cabin down south in Westcliffe, and we're going to go down there for just like a night, hang out in town. Gonna go shoot for a couple brands and projects. I have some new gear I'm really stoked about for this trip that I'm going to be testing and just like exploring a different area, because we really haven't explored much of Westcliffe, and it's a really nice kind of like quieter area. So I'm very excited. We're like kind of last minute travelers, and by being in Colorado, I also tend to kind of like overpack because you have no idea what the weather's going to be, because I'm an outdoor photographer and like do adventure work, and then I also am an ultra runner. The amount of gear I bring with me is kind of insane. So I'm really excited because I got a new bag for this trip. Let me show you guys. Okay. Hi. You can scoot back if you want. It's from Knack Bags. They actually sent me this bag, what I'm really excited for. Hopefully I only have to bring one bag. I haven't actually opened this. Excited to see what it is before I go pack, because again, like I said, we're last minute travelers. I also pack usually a few hours before we leave. Oh, there's like an outside pocket. The whole bag is like weather resistant, weatherproof, which we'll definitely be putting to the test because the weather recently has just been so all over the place. I'm sure we're gonna get rained on. This thing is huge inside. This is so nice. There's like little dividers. Seems like it's just like one big main compartment with then like smaller side pockets, which is really nice, so you don't have to like open up the whole thing to get stuff out of. Oh, and it's expandable, which is really nice. So like if you're going on a longer trip, you can make it bigger. I don't know if I'm gonna need that for this trip. For this trip, I'm going to try and pack everything literally in this bag. We're gonna go pack, get everybody ready. I'm very excited. Are you excited? Are you excited to go stay in your little cabin? So this morning we went and grabbed coffee and got some breakfast, and then our checkout was kind of earlier, so we decided to pack up. I'm just waiting for Gabriel, and we're going to start our drive home. And we're probably gonna stop and grab some lunch so I can work and Hazel can get out and like stretch her legs, because I feel bad having her sit in the car for like 4 hours straight. So we're gonna do that, and then I'll just like get some work done while we're at this cafe because I brought all my stuff with me. Yeah, let's hit the road.